Hi, this is Bo Gonzalez at Alderson Cadillac. I'm your certified Cadillac technician here. We are working on this 2012 Cadillac SRX. We have fog out headlights. We can actually refurbish those headlights and make them look good as new without having to replace them. I know that's a high cost. We also are doing an oil change on it, cabin air filter, engine air filter. The tires were a little thin, so we're recommending those to the customer. We'll see what they want to do on that. Now here at the back of the vehicle, on your liftgate concern where it will not open, we have this liftgate piston that is actually leaking. It is an actuator, it has fluid in it, and that's why it's been leaking. As you can see, it's been coming down right here and down the bumper area. We need to go ahead and replace this piston and bleed the system for that. Also, this rear vision camera has gone out, and that is why our screen is black whenever we put it in reverse. We look these vehicles over from top to bottom to let customers know exactly what they need and exactly what condition their vehicle is in. We hope that you come see us. Thank you and goodbye.